Okay, let's begin with question number 9. Let's move it to whiteboard, please. Okay, let's read and see. So they say the first thing here, 9a, question number 9. Huh? So find in its simplest form the product of this thing. So it's a little small there, font there. Let me just rewrite it. A1/3 plus b to the power of 2/3, this product with a, this is power of 2/3, minus a, 1/3, b to the power of 2/3, plus b to the power of 4/3. Aha. So it looks a little bit tough, isn't it? The numbers and the product, and it's like all that. So one of the key things is when you face a tough algebraic question like this, I mean, it's hard on the eyes. One of the clues, of course, you can do it manually, just multiplying and then seeing how it simplifies and all that. It's not an issue. Okay, maybe we'll do it manually, or you can use a bit of a substitution. That means that I'll use a substitution way just to simplify things a little bit, then get back on the what it is originally. So we let a1/3, a power 1/3, is equals to x, and b to the power of 1/3 to equals to y. So in that instance, this will be x plus y squared. And then here will be x squared minus xy squared. Please take note. Plus y to the power of 4n. Y to the power of 4. Okay, so this is the first thing that we establish. And so x squared, yep. B to 3, y squared, double check always. Then we just multiply the brackets accordingly. That means we group this bracket. Maybe I'll use an orange change of color to show that. X multiply with this entire bracket. So we group it like that because everything from the first bracket is multiplied with everything from the second bracket. That means plus y squared like that. Ta-da! So y squared now group together with this entire bracket, x squared minus xy squared plus y to the power of 4. Okay, let's multiply this further. So that means multiply like that, this, and this. So this becomes x cubed minus x squared y squared plus xy to the power of 4. Then beside it, let's do the same likewise. So that means, so this with this, this with this, this with this. So plus, write in order, please. Always write the x and y, so easy on the reading of the mind. So we multiply with that. So minus x y to the power of 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And then plus y to the power of 2 plus 4 is 6. And then looking at all these terms, you can easily see that when you regroup them, x cubed is here. Did you all realize that this 2 cancels off? Minus x squared y squared. This one, I'll highlight it. And this one, the left is a plus. So they're opposite signs. That means they cancel off. So I'm just going to write and cut them like that. Then the next two as well, likewise. This one, plus xy4 minus xy4. This one. So these two cancel off, become 0 as well, leaving only the last term y to the power of 6. That means what we have here is only 2 terms now, x cubed plus y to the power of 6. Now let's substitute out the x, please, at this time. Okay, what do I mean by that? Remember, we let this temporarily to equal to this. So we substitute it out at this time. So something cubed plus something to the power of 6. So a 1/3 to the power of 3. This is b 1/3 because the y is there, like that. So that means now we realize we just need to simplify the powers likewise. A to the power of 1/3 times 3 plus b 1/3 times 6, from which we deduce the final answer as a plus b squared. So that's the answer, a plus b squared. Okay, let's do the b also in one go. So let's clear this one. Yep. Let's clear this. Do the b. Yep. Okay, given that 2 to the power of 2x plus 2 times 5 to the power of x minus 1 equals to 8 to the power of x times 5 to the power of 2x, they say evaluate 10 to the power of x. This particular thing they want us to evaluate. So the trick in such cases is to use primes. Okay, rewrite the exponents in terms of its primes. So like, for example, we can see that 8 is not a prime, 2 and 5 are. So 8 to the power of x, we view it as 2 to the power of 3 inside, 8, x outside. That means 2 to the power of 3x. Okay, let's replace that and proceed. So 2x plus 2. 5 to the power x minus 1. Just a term we need to replace. 2 to the power of 3x. And then multiplied by 5 to the power of 2x. So the next regrouping would be advantageous, I guess, would be to bring all the x, 5 one side and the, what is the word? And thing all one side also can actually, because looking at the final answer, kind of way. So you bring the other side like that. So you bring that side by right here. That means, that's right here. That means 2 to the power of 3. Okay, maybe I write slowly a bit, so it's more clear. 2 to the power of 3x, benefit of all, over 2 to the power of 2x plus 2. Right there. Powers combined like that. Now this is 5 to the power of 2x over 5 to the power of x minus 1. So the 1 equals to, now let's rewrite this. So 3x minus bracket 2x plus 2. Hey, sorry. This is power prime 2 again. Okay, it's prime 2, 2 to the power of 3x minus 2x plus 2. Okay, so 5 here, 2x up there minus bracket x minus 1. So let's try to simplify this line plus. So down here, we rewrite it. 1 equals 2. So let's try the exponent nicely. So opening up the brackets would be 3x minus 2x. And you times like this, please take note. Negative, negative. So both negative like that. So I'm just doing it slowly for the benefit of all. Okay, some of you can simplify it easily, so it doesn't matter. You can just do it straight away. No worries, no. So this time just like that. So it means it's like 2x minus x, negative. Negative is plus 1. Oh, so this is what they mean. Okay, yep. So this is 2 to the power of, when you simplify that, 3x minus 2x is x, so x minus 2. And then times 5 to the power of, so 2x minus x is x, and this one is plus 1. Okay, so at this juncture, we can see that we need to probably separate out the ones with the x only. That means what we do is, what I'm trying to say is, this is 2 to the power of x. The negative 2 means x minus 2. So denominator 2 square. But this is plus 1 means same level, 5 to the power x times 5 to the power of 1. Just to emphasize the 1 like that. So now we can regroup the terms accordingly. Please take note. What do I mean by that is, I group the 2 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x together like that. And then beside it, I just regroup the other two terms, which is 5 to the power of 1 over 2 square. So it's just a matter of simplification that this becomes, 5 times 2 is 10 to the power of x. And then here is times 5 over 4. So just rewriting or solving this, you're going to get the answer already. Let's take note. So the answer is 10 to the power of x equals to 1 times upside down 4 over 5. So in other words, the answer is just 4 over 5. Thank you.